Okay, starting the machine. Number one, check the vacuum pump for water. Make sure it's topped up fairly close to the top. Ensure your compressor is on and check that your dust bags aren't full. Once that's done, we'll ensure that the work table is free of any obstructions and just blow off the dust. Yeah, from time to time stuff gets thrown up on it. So when you turn it on and the machine has to home itself, you don't want anything in the way getting caught up with it. Also give it a blow down with dust just to have it nice and free and clear for the first sheet you put on it. Next thing to do, press the orange on button. That'll allow the machine to start loading up. So on this one here, this is actually the stop button, so I've got to unclick it, press the on button, and there she is on. And as you can see, it starts to load up then. It takes a minute or two to boot up. The next step, once that does load up, is to home the machine. So then we're going to press home and then X, Y and Z, and that'll home the 3 axes. Reason you need to home it every time, so when we turn off the machine, the last time we'll say, the control box saves the location of the X, Y and Z. However, when the machine is off, you can physically move the gantry down and everything up and down, with which the machine won't know where them points are. So for itself, just to be sure, it has to home. It has to go back to the Y0, the way up here has to go back to the X0 up there, and the Z has to go up to 0 as well. So there it is in home mode. That's fine. So all you got to do is press Y, X and Z. Any of them Y, X's or Z's will do. And as you can see now, the head is going up to home, the gantry is coming down in the Y to home, and the head is also moving over in the X direction. And if you go over until it hits, there's little magnetic metal sensors there. Once they sense a certain piece of metal that's on the machine that's there to be sensed, or a bolt that they have put in there to be sensed, it'll use that as its 0 point. That's the absolute 0 point, with which every offset for a tool or every offset that we have for the 0 point on the board will be referenced off.